People always get scared when it comes to the matter of investment because they don't have any proper knowledge and they don't know where to invest. There are many ways available to invest in the market. It can be stocks, funds, SIP, etc. But to understand this all, we need knowledge, which is lacking in majority of the people. So majority of the people don't have any idea to invest. In reality, you don't need any IQ to invest. You just need to have strong fundamentals. There are few factors on which you need to focus. The first one is speculator versus real investor. Always try to be a real investor, then to be a speculator. Usually speculators, they invest by taking free advice from others. In some cases, they invest without analyzing anything. But real investors always have proper research. They collect all the data and analyze. Then they will think about investing. They are more focused on future returns. For that, they take time and analyze properly. On the other hand, speculators want high returns at less time. Usually they think if they are investing some amount, they want return to be 50% more or higher than that too within a year. Whereas intelligent investors always go for fair returns. They focus more on consistency and always focus on decent returns from the investment. Speculators don't think much on safety of investment. They only focus on returns. Other side, intelligent investors always focus on safety first. Like how much safe it is to invest on particular stock. For that they do proper research. In this way, they only buy the stocks which have real value in the future. In this way, they get good returns. Whereas speculators end this as a gambling. Second one, inflation. People always make a mistake by keeping their money with themselves. They don't use money for years. They just keep money aside. They feel that keeping money with themselves is more safer than investing. But in reality, because of inflation, that money value always reduces, because of which our savings always get affected. Let's see an example. For clear understanding, if you are having 1 lakh rupees with you, if your friend asks that money for 1 year, because of trust, you will give that money to him. So after 1 year, that friend will return the money. But he cuts 8,000 rupees from it, and he tells the reason for cutting the money is keeping his money safe for 1 year. For that, he is charging 8,000 rupees. For that, will you be happy to give 8,000 rupees? India has an inflation rate of 9.5%. Sometimes it may be little less. So, if you are keeping 1 lakh rupees with yourself without investing anywhere, then after completing of 1 year, the value of 1 lakh rupees will be reduced to 90,500 rupees because of inflation rate. By these examples, you can understand why investment is very important. Usually people keep their money in banks, but in banks the returns are very less. Usually you will get 6% returns, which is very less if you compare with inflation. But if you can invest in stock market or in mutual funds, you can get very good returns.